Alright guys, so today I'm going to be taking the front splitter off Zara, my Project 350Z, and just giving it a small touch up. This isn't a final fix. Basically, when I bought the car back in September of last year, the front splitter had obviously not been loved. It has probably hit a couple of curbs in its lifetime, and some of the polyurethane paint that's on it has started to chip off. So what I've done is basically I've gone and got some paint, and I'm just going to cover the holes that are on the front, that are basically where the chips have fallen off, just for a quick temporary fix. I will be looking at getting it dipped or properly resprayed or wrapped in the future. It's just for the time being just to make it look a bit smarter, because it's making the car look a bit stupid and it looks a bit cheap. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. Yeah, so guys, this is the front splitter off the 350Z. I don't know how old it is, but I think it's been on the car quite some time, and as you can see, if I zoom in, you can see that the paint is starting to chip off. I think it's had an impact on the curb at some point, so if you turn it over, you can see we're in the middle here, it's been filled, but obviously it's coming away from itself, and one of these screw holes is a bit rusty on this side. And yeah, just you can start to see the fibres coming through. Obviously the paint job is only going to be a temporary fix, just to make the whole bumper one colour, so I can take it to shows and it doesn't look so bad from distance. Alright, so I've primed up the worst areas, just going to let that dry. Like I keep saying, this isn't a permanent fix. I know what you're going to say, like, oh, go get it professionally done. I would, but at the moment I just need it to be just a quick fix until the nicer weather, when I'm really going to start like taking it to shows and doing things like that. So until then, this is the best I can do. So guys, just while that primer is dry, I'm just going to show you what I'm using. I've just got some pretty basic Halfords primer and just some gloss black, because that's what the splitter was already finished in. Hopefully it will fix the problems of just the chip paint that's already on the splitter, and it will make it look a bit better for the time being. And it's looking so much better than it was. It's not perfect, but it will do. So yeah, effectively it's just got rid of those really nasty chips in the paintwork all the way around. Like I said, not perfect. You can still see where the chips are, but you have to get down close. So hopefully it will just make the whole front end of the car look a lot better than it did when I bought it, which is exactly what I wanted really, because it was my project. The splitter's back on now, looks a hell of a lot better with the respray. Quite pleased with it's been off here, it makes the car look a lot tighter at the front especially. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look out for new content. See you in the next one.